In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to your diagram in draw.io for Confluence. To get started, open the Confluence page that contains the draw.io diagram you want to work with. Make sure you're on the correct page and that the diagram you want to tag is visible, because you'll be opening that specific diagram directly from the page editor. Once you're inside the page editor, locate the draw.io diagram you want to update. Click to select the diagram and you should see a floating toolbar appear near it. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up window with the draw.io diagram editor inside Confluence. Give it a moment to load fully so all the editing options are available before moving on. Now that you're in the diagram editor, look at the top menu bar. Click View and then select Tags. As soon as you do that, a Tags panel will appear. This panel is where you can create and manage the tags for your diagram. In the Tags panel, click the plus icon. A small pop-up will appear, allowing you to type in your tags. As you enter them, keep in mind that if you use spaces between words, the editor will treat those as separate tags. So if you want multiple tags, you can enter them with spaces and then click Add to create them. This is a quick way to build a set of tags you can use throughout the diagram. If you want to assign a tag to an object in the diagram, first select the object you want to label. After that, look back at the tags panel. You'll see the tags you created listed there. Simply check the box next to the tag or tags that you want to assign to the selected object. This makes it easy to organize shapes and elements in your diagram, especially if you're working with more complex visuals and want a clearer way to group related items. That's all there is to it. You've opened the diagram, enabled the tags panel, created your tags, and assigned them to the objects you need. If you're tagging multiple objects, just repeat the same process by selecting each object and checking the relevant tags in the panel. It's a simple feature, but it can make your diagrams much easier to manage and understand inside Confluence.